In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your email campaign with first name merge tags. Personalizing your emails is one of the simplest ways to improve engagement, and adding a first name is a great place to start. Let's walk through exactly how to do this, step by step, in a clear and friendly way. First, head to your email platform's top navigation and go to Campaigns. This is your home base for everything related to the messages you send. From here, you can start fresh or work with something you've already built. If you're beginning a new message, click Create Campaign. If you already have an email you want to personalize, open that existing email campaign instead. Either path works perfectly. Next, open the email builder or editor. This is where you control the content and design. Once you're in the editor, look over your layout and click the text block where you want the personalized name to appear. A common spot is your greeting line, something like "Hi" or "Hello" at the very top, though you can place it anywhere it makes sense in your message. Now put your cursor exactly where you want the subscriber's first name to show up. Think about spacing and punctuation so it reads naturally. For example, "Hi" followed by the name and a comma. In the text editor toolbar, look for the Merge Tags option. Merge tags are placeholders that automatically pull data from your audience list. Click that option. If you prefer to type it manually, that works too. From the merge tag list, select first name. As soon as you do, you'll see the tag appear right in your text. It will look like this. Name. In the editor, it's normal to see the tag rather than a real name. Behind the scenes, the system will swap it with each recipient's first name when the email is sent. Before you move on, read the sentence out loud to check flow and tone. For example, "Hi of name. Thanks for joining us today." Feels friendly and concise. Small tweaks to surrounding words can make a big difference in how personal the message feels. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save or Save and Close, depending on what your editor shows. That locks in your personalized greeting and keeps your changes safe. And that's it! You've successfully added a first name merge tag to your email, making your campaign more relevant and human with just a few clicks.